All right, we're here with Timmy, Matt Fuqua from FPM. Last time we got together, we put 5?
I think it was 5.
5 or 6. Matt brought a new toy tonight. It's a 375 Raptor, and I'm gonna let him tell y'all about these two things. Massive chunks of death and destruction.
Yeah, so the first one here, it's a 275 grain, just lead tipped round nose bullet. And we're gonna see what some of these are doing on a pig. And then I do have a few subsonics or burgers, 350 grains. They're hollow points. I doubt they're gonna open up if we kill anything with them because they're subsonic, so they're not going fast enough because it's designed for the Chi-Tac round. When we are gonna be shooting the 375 can from us here at FPM Gunworks, called the Inyati can. That is Buffalo in Afrikaan. And we're shooting it out of a bolt gun that my buddy made. And it's got a 10.5-inch barrel, so they're pushing a little over 2,000 feet per second on the round nose 275 grain bullet, so it should be smoking some pigs, especially out of a little bitty barrel. So with the suppressor, it's gonna be quiet, so we'll hear it go thump. Hopefully.
How long has that caliber been out?
Not very long. There's a company in Meridian, I forgot the gentleman's name, that designed it. It's designed for the AR-10 platform, but it's kind of fun on a little 10.5-inch bolt gun. It's stupid quiet that way, especially with our can. Yep. And there's hardly any back pressure that way, especially shooting on a AR-10 platform. So check them out if you want to, and watch the videos later tonight. We'll be slaughtering some pigs.
We're gonna smoke some if we can find them. Dang, storm's kind of moving in, so
we'll be all right.
All right, come back to y'all when we get some piggies on the ground. If he doesn't blow them in half with that thing. I'm ready when you are. Second one from the back.
You are clear. Go ahead.
Okay, I'm on the full back one. Your call.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
I got mine.
I dropped that one. Drop that one.
Good job.
There's 3 of them out there.
Damn, that's quiet.
I scoped myself like 3 times.
Did you really?
Yeah. Which one are you on?
Second one from the back.
Y'all clear. Go ahead. Okay. Where'd they go? Okay, I'm on the far back one. Your call.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
I got mine.
I dropped that one. Drop that one.
Good job.
There's 3 of them out there. I forgot I gotta reload.
Damn, that's quiet.
I scoped myself like 3 times.
Did you really?
Yeah. It kicks quite a bit.
He's not bad.
Got a pretty good size one. This one's the one that Matt shot. Did it exit?
Yeah, that's the exit hole.
Yeah.
On the 375, and the entrance, as I gut shot them, is somewhere back here.
That is a easy. I think that's 250.
Yeah,
that one's a 7,500 pounder.
Well, I was gonna say 300 on the little one.
Ounces.
Yeah, ounces.
And it's freaking pouring on us. Got some cutters?
There's your entrance right there, buddy.
No, that was
second shot.
Second shot.
Yeah.
Well, the
So-
first shot was back here on.
We still didn't.
We're still team no skunk.
No skunk.
Let's get the heck out of this freaking rain. Far out. Send them.
Moving up, moving up. Hold on.
Where you at, man? Holy crap, did we mow them down?
I got a big one.
1, 2, 3, 4,
I got a big one.
5, 6, 7.
Got one big one way off to the left over here.
Matt,
We got one getting up.
where? No moo. Oh, dude, that showed the
Blood.
Yeah. Oh,
That got him.
I think that just poked the hole for a satellite.
seen them.
Moving up, moving up.
Where you at, man? Holy crap, did we mow them down?
That is pushing me out.
We annihilated. We got at least 7 down that we know. It's freaking
Go ahead and
just
look
started to
up.
rain.
Hold on, Russ.
I don't see.
It's right here. Right. Just walk straight this way.
We're gonna go gather all these things up and see what the body count is, but it's lightning over there.
High line wires above us.
Highline wires above us.
Lightning all around us.
It's just
Bunch of metal objects. No problem.
Hold on to the socks. You're good.
Oh, there it is.
well as I'm grabbing onto this metal. Oh yeah, there's one.
That's a good one.
I was lighting him up, dude.
Dude. That boy. 3. Hell yeah. Body count. There's number 2. Oh Lord.
Oh, right here. There's another one there.
Hold on, y'all line up real quick.
Numero dos.
Let's get out of this
Well,
shit.
we didn't find 7. We found 6 total. We know we've got 1 or 2 more somewhere, but it is starting to pour. So we're gonna get the crap out of here.